Founded in 2006. We're building healthcare globally. MeCan Medical, China's pioneer in one-stop medical solutions. Also a dedicated X-ray machine manufacturer. We serve over 5,000 hospitals, clinics, and universities worldwide, contributing to the construction of grade A tertiary hospitals overseas and gain recognition from the governments of Ghana, Zambia, and the Philippines. With over 800 product lines, spanning all medical departments. We use aerospace-grade components. Backed by 3 overseas branches, local warehouses, and over 10 on-site engineers, we deliver full-cycle support. We uphold our social responsibility through medical supplies donations in Nigeria and the MeCan Medical Future Scholarship at the University of Lusaka, spreading warmth through tangible actions. Orderless healthcare for a brighter global future. MeCan Medical make world better.